They say a true man is all giving, despite the weight of loss and pain. He is forever sacrificing and silencing the voice again. He should, he shall, he must surrender and do whatever a woman wants. It's kind of slavery in motion that I will fight till life is on. being unclear. Just look inside, and if you can